One of the big things that just seems to go underdiagnosed in patients is allergies. Wow, allergies cause so many problems with climate change. We know we have a higher expression of pollens from trees, plants, all of this because of the higher carbon dioxide in the air and the higher temperatures. In fact, it doesn't go up a little, it goes up by magnitudes, and this is study proven. And what happens is that when you have more and more and more of this in the air, you reach more and more people's critical threshold to be symptomatic. In other words, you never had allergies before. You can have allergies because you get so much in the air as it increases. For example, here in San Diego, we're also growing like mad, so we have a lot of more particulate matter in the air just from cars and traffic and industry. And then you add all the particulate matter from allergens in, we have tons and tons and tons of allergic inflammation here. It affects the vision. It makes you blurry. It can throw off the prescription that we even measure in the office here because the allergic inflammation can actually affect the surface skin layer, make you blurry. It can make your eyes feel dry. It can throw off the prescription. It can make terrible night vision. And that's just beside the itching, redness, and puffiness problems that people associate with allergies. In other words, allergies don't just make you feel uncomfortable, they affect your vision.